Hey, 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 what's going on YouTube? It's your boy GB. You can't say the G without the B, baby.
What's going on?
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gifted Barber, and I'm back with another YouTube tutorial. Bro, when are you gonna switch it up? Oh, you want me to switch it up, huh? Alright.
Say less.
Say less.
YouTube. Hey, you. In the camera, you. I got something to tell you. I'm tired of all of you guys talking about us barbers messing your haircut up. Tired of it. Cut your own hair. Don't leave it in my hands to mess up your pattern. This is your hair, you got waves. We didn't know nothing about waves. We didn't know that you brush your hair this way. Ever go down on your wave? We didn't know. Damn, I'm tired of barbers messing me up. I'm tired of, I ain't trying to hit, I ain't trying to hit that. We back? We back. It's gonna be a simple, self-cutting video. It's gonna be for the people that wanna start cutting their hair, or the people that just don't have the courage to cut their hair, so they need, I got you. I'm gonna motivate you. I'm gonna encourage you that you can be great. Cause you really can be great. Gosh. I'm gonna unwrap for y'all real quick. I just got up from last night's OMB method. Can't tell y'all what I use, but you will see it soon. But real quick, shout out to OVB, Ocean Views Beauty. Look at this nice, tight, compressed wave cap. Shout out to my affiliates, man. We doing our thing, man. Everybody on the squad playing their part. We growing as a brand, individually and as a group. Man, shout out to the affiliates. I mess with y'all the long way. Let's get to this wave check for real though.
Ready? Let me get the light. Oh, you was ready. I like that. You was ready. Alright, let me take this one off fast, because I ain't playing with y'all. That's fast enough? Oh, ready?
I got a message. Wave slime? If you don't know what wave slime is, get you some wave slime, wash your hair, and yo, wave slime, myfluffypuffs.com is the best shampoo in the game right now. YouTube.
I'm cutting it off. I can't do it no more. I can't do this no more. Alright, I'm tired. I can't do this no more, mama. Mama.
It's time to cut this shit off. Come on. Come on. Come on. I can't do this. Can't do that. No. And as y'all see, I think I overworked. If I lose any progress, I'm just letting you know now.
I think I overworked.
I can't. Man.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping.
Let's go. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing 8 against the grain. And And yes, it's 3:01 in the morning. I've just been up, editing, looking at videos, editing. Man, I refuse to just put out a regular plain old video now.
Triple double. Hair and body butter. Tracy Loren. Fire, bro. Fire. Next, we got Smoke Clay Wash in a jar. In a jar.
Yo, I be tripping. I know y'all be like, yo, this man gifted me tripping. I already know. But I refuse to waste content. If I recorded it, I'm putting it out. So there's a dope part of the video I'm making sure the hair is feeding through the clipper. I'm not rushing nothing. I'm going nice and slow.
Look at the consistency.
And again, this is the 8 guard and 8 guard close. I'm trying to just maintain my woof. I don't want to cut my whole woof off. And I know you guys see me combing a lot. It is very important you lay your hair back down after you cut against the grain. So me being me,
Cutting it off.
after combing for 15
I
minutes,
can't do it no more.
I decide I gotta go back in and trim some of this hair off. And would you look at that? Look at all the hair I missed. Now I am cutting with an 8 guard. This is the highest guard I have. Most likely the highest guard you guys have. But this is just for me. I usually cut with a 3.5 or a 4 guard. So just to maintain my hair all even and maintain my woof for a little longer, I went with the highest guard possible. So for you guys wanting to try a against the grain haircut, if you go with a 2 guard as your fresh haircut length, you might be wanting to try a 4.5 guard or maybe a 5 guard against the grain. That'll equal out to a 2 guard. If you cut with a 3 guard, you maybe want to try with a 6 guard. I cut with a 3.5 or a 4 guard with the grain, so that's why I'm cutting with an 8 guard. Now I know it doesn't look like a fresh haircut or it doesn't look laid, but just imagine when I do a fresh washing style, my hair is going to be nice and full, but it's still going to have that nice lay that I want.
Final round, fight.
So before I end it off, I just want to make sure I get a nice soft session in, make sure everything's nice and laid. Try to just see if I missed anything.
Finish him. Fatality.
And I know we both looking at the same thing. That taper area needs to go. I know. How about this? We get this video to 1K or at least 500 views, and I will record a self-taper video just for you guys. Let's go. Let's run it up. you learned anything new, or if you found this video entertaining, or you know, if you just like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more hair cutting videos, if you guys want to see more reviews, you guys want to see more challenges, pranks, let me know in the comment section. Feedback is always a plus when it comes to helping the channel grow. So I appreciate everybody tuning in. I appreciate everybody rocking with me. Gifted GB. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, I'm out of here. Hey, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hey, that's the hook. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Alright, y'all. Be blessed. I'm out.